A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm not claiming to be anything and asking Allah's rahmah and mercy that Allah forgive us. Everything we do is out of imitation, and imitating the way of Sayyidina Muhammad is highest level of achievement, is to carry the sunnah of Prophet, the love and mohammad of Sayyidina Muhammad. And a reminder always for myself that our way is the way of adab and teaching. The turuqs and the ahlul tariqah, their emphasis is on the adab and the character of people. We believe that based on that character every ni'mat can open. That all the memorizing in the world of Holy Qur'an and memorizing of Holy Hadith, if the adab and the character is not good, has no value in Allah's Divinely Presence. And Allah says within Holy Qur'an that, we are going to raise you with your Imam. So there's a day in which Allah is going to raise us with our Imam. Inshallah if that Imam is good then we should be in a good condition. If that Imam is bad or that we don't have an Imam, shaitan is our Imam. There was an Imam called Shaitan, and his ulum and his knowledge was something that he acquired himself. He was teaching himself, acquiring his knowledge, and from dunya he was elevating with his knowledge towards the sama. His worshipness was very strong, that he had prostrated every place of this earth. At that time he wasn't shaitan, he was a jinn, and a tremendous amount of knowledge he had acquired, and malaika were learning from that knowledge. But what happened in this whole event with the creation of Sayyidina Adam is that the malaika, as a result of studying from shaitan, they began to acquire the characteristics of shaitan. Because when Allah was going to create the form of Sayyidina Adam, malaika came and questioned. When malaika are not supposed to have any question, samina wa atana, they hear and they obey. They came and they heard and they said that, what is this creation of Allah that you're going to create and that it's going to create bloodshed on earth? Means they had shak and had doubt. Who they got that shak and doubt from? Their teacher. That's why Allah is warning, I'm going to raise you with your Imam, because your Imam is dressing you with his character, dressing you with his akhlaq, not only dressing you from his ulum and his knowledge, because the knowledge maybe everybody has a certain level of knowledge, but the character and the manner is going to be dressed upon that person. He's multiplying his character wherever he goes. So it means for us it's a tremendous warning and tremendous understanding that not only the knowledge is being conveyed to me, but most important the character, because I'm watching the character, that how he's acting, how he's talking, how he interacts with people. Does he think people are below him? Or does he think he's the lowest one and that he is here to serve Allah's creation, not to judge them? The first of usul is not to judge. not to be shareek. This is the biggest shirk, is to come and sit and judge Allah's creation. Allah created that creation. We are here merely to be a khadim and servant of Allah. Inshallah if He accepts us.
Have you started planning for the cost of post-secondary education? We will help you open a plan and access thousands of dollars in government grants. Give your child a head start with a CET plan. Did you know that it may be possible to start an RESP and not contribute any of your own money? Call today and receive 25 air miles reward miles when you book a consultation.
Many people come and see me saying how difficult it is to get into the market and buy your first home today. At Shah of Kukutlam, we have a range of solutions that helps you find the perfect home that fits your needs. For over a decade, we have helped hundreds of clients, from first-time buyers to seasoned investors, achieve their goals. We also provide free seminars and workshops, so when the time comes, you can make an educated decision to set you and your family up for life. Whatever your needs are, whatever your goals are, come and see me. My name is Shah, and I can help you find the perfect home.
Eastern cultures use teas and herbs as an elixir of health and wellness. Rumi Rose Teas revives this ancient tradition with a collection of over 40 delicious hand-blended teas. Enjoy God-given health and wellness within every cup of Rumi Rose tea. Order online now.
So when shaitan is teaching malaika, they're beginning to have doubt and shak. And Allah is enough, He knows this creation, He knows what shaitan is doing. He knows the ulum that shaitan is rising himself, and He said, I'm going to show his ulum in one shot. In one test I'm going to send him, and it will show his entire knowledge that had no yaqeen. It was just empty knowledge. If he had yaqeen, he would have known the light that was within Sayyidina Adam which was Nur Muhammad. Or hadith of Prophet I was a Rasul before Adam was between clay and water. The Risalat of Sayyidina Muhammad was first, is qadeem. That nur, that light, Allah I'm going to bring it and put it into the Khalifa. That Khalifa is going to be the supreme Khalifa, he is going to be the Muallim, because this is the light of Sayyidina Muhammad coming. As soon as the light came into Sayyidina Adam, alama ismat kullaha, means that light is already filled with the light and the knowledges of Sayyidina Muhammad, because he was Rasul before. So Allah already taught, Allama al-Qur'an, khalaqa al-insan, already taught all the knowledges to Prophet. So Nur al-Muhammadi went into Sayyidina Adam, immediately malaika they saw that light and went into sujood. They went into sujood, the knowledge and the light, the blessings of this life, they understood its reality is from a hijab that they don't have access to. That's why Isra wal Miraj, Sayyidina Jibreel said, we have a hat. We don't go beyond the hat or we become non-existent. They saw that light from the hat come into Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam. That light gave all the knowledges, ulumul awwaleen wa akhareen, and malaika understood this is alama. This knowledge Allah conveyed. Alama is from Allah to the servant. The other knowledge was from dunya to Allah. From dunya to Allah, when you begin to read, what happens? You begin to think you're better than other people. You memorize 2 hadiths, 3 hadiths, before they were memorizing 6,000 hadiths, 300,000 hadiths. Today if somebody memorizes 10 hadiths, they become arrogant, they become violent, they become intolerant. Why? Because this is the dress of shaitan dressing them. That this knowledge you are acquiring from the ground, trying to reach the heaven without tarbiyah, without training, without shaykhs, without imams, without anybody testing you, you are becoming arrogant from this knowledge. You are now taking the characteristic of your imam. That imam is shaitan. So when you understand the character of shaitan, he was arrogant. He didn't like Adam and Bani Adam and anything to do with Adam, and he said, only for me is Allah. And anytime you hear that belief, shaitan is mixed in it. I don't have to respect anyone, I don't have to listen to anyone, I memorized 10 hadiths. With that 10 hadiths I'm going to fix the whole world, and I'm going to tell everybody who has belief and who's a kuffar, astaghfirullah, with that small knowledge. And they warn us, oh but if you're coming from dunya to get to the heavens, shaitan going to be playing with you.
Hi, did you know that your child may be eligible to receive up to $10,000 in government grants to pay for his or her post-secondary education? My name is Sikandar Hayat. I am here to help you. Call today for a free consultation.
Knowledge, quality, integrity. Star cares about your best interest and have a wealth of experience to match. We've been in the business 30 years and are here to lead you every step of the way. Whether it's building the custom home of your dreams, doing gorgeous home renovations, building a laneway home, or revamping your commercial space. The STAR process works. Just ask our hundreds of satisfied customers.
We have several properties, and the best thing about Star for Life Services is that the work is done in a very timely manner, and we're always very pleased with the result.
STAR, let's make your dreams happen. Call us now to book your free consultation.
Almost 150,000 Canadians a year will use a homeless shelter. These people need food, clothing, and access to basic hygiene. Fatima Zahra Helping Hand is a non-profit organization with the goal of helping the underprivileged in Canada. Along with our active support for recent immigrants and refugees, one of our ongoing initiatives is to feed and clothe the homeless. more than a decade, we have provided hundreds of thousands of hot meals to some of the most vulnerable and needy. We continue these efforts with several monthly initiatives. For more information or to donate, please visit our website, nurmuhammad.com.
So what Allah described from Ashab al-Kahf, He attained a rahmah. Those whom Allah gives the alam and the knowledge, they attain the rahmah. Means what? They're under the tarbiyah of shuyukh, and the shuyukh have to have the characteristic of what you imagine Prophet's character. How can an Imam not have the characteristic of Prophet? Can you cheat? Can you steal? Can you backbite? Can you plan and make conspiracies? Is this from the character of Sayyidina Muhammad? Khuluqul azim. Allah described Prophet from his azimat, that your khuluq, your character is beyond imagination. Means what a rahmah, what a mercy. Whatever you did of difficulty to Prophet he never showed it ﷺ. He never destroyed people, he never made lahnat against people, he never made any conspiracies against people. He only wanted his ummah. That I want to pray for them. If they do bad for me, they don't know who I am, Ya Rabbi, forgive them, I want only good for them. Means that character of Prophet we are in search of. That if we have an Imam like that, a teacher like that, they're trying to teach us the way of Prophet Allah will grant you a rahmah. The shaykhs and the shuyukh, they're teaching their students, be good, be kind, have good manners. You'll know the shaykh by looking at his students. They're trained that don't lie, don't cheat, don't steal. How are you going to be presented to Prophet like that? And they begin to see their softness, their lovingness, their kindness. And then they come and say, Shaykh, I've been oppressed. I say, be quiet, Prophet was most oppressed. I've been lied to, keep quiet. Allah showing that Prophet was the most one that harmed by his people. Because they have good advice. They don't tell you to go out and seek vengeance and go out and harm somebody and plan and plot against somebody. They begin to convey the real characteristics of Prophet. And then what Allah described, they attain the rahmah. That Allah's rida and satisfaction dresses them. As soon as Allah dress them, means ruhaniyat al-Nabi is constantly with them, is constantly dressing them, constantly blessing them, and they begin to have the light of Prophet. Now the world is not wanting to clean themselves, not wanting to perfect themselves, not wanting to have any good character. Read a few books, come out as a mufti and go out now attack everybody. Oh, this way of attaining a rahmah is you come and get crushed, you come and get tested, you come and spend a lifetime of Allah testing you, crushing you, annihilating you to be nothing, and they want to see khushya, they want to see your softness and your loveness. That if you think you're sweet, Allah's going to test, and only sweetness should come from you. How come when somebody squeezes you, you become so sour? In this night what we're asking, Ya Rabbi, is keep us in the company of those whom you love. Keep us in the character and the way of Sayyidina Muhammad, because Allah's ghadab is coming on to earth. And that ghadab nobody can hide from it, nobody can fake it, nobody can pretend into Allah's, no, Ya Rabbi, I'm a great one. Allah knows what's in the heart, Allah knows what's in the character. We don't want the ulum and the character of shayateen, but we want the character of Sayyidina Muhammad. If you have the love and the character of Sayyidina Muhammad, isn't Allah going to give you every ulum, every knowledge, whatever you want He's going to be dressing you from. Why? Because His love for Sayyidina Muhammad. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifoon wa salaamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Bi hurmati Muhammad al-Mustafa wa bi sirri Surat al-Fatiha.
Have you started planning for the cost of post-secondary education? We will help you open a plan and access thousands of dollars in government grants. Give your child a head start with a CET plan. Did you know that it may be possible to start an RESP and not contribute any of your own money? Call today and receive 25 air miles reward miles when you book a consultation.